This past weekend, GAAR's YPN committee held their second annual Kentucky Derby event. Great time was had by all with big fancy hats, seersucker suits, awesome food, and a silent auction. We had the pleasure of sponsoring the photography at the event with a photo booth. Check out some of the highlights of the afternoon. We had a lot of fun at this year's Derby and look forward to seeing you all there next year. At Servant 360, we feel realtors shouldn't have to put up with inconsistent results from their marketing providers. And that's why we provide consistent quality photos, floor plans, virtual tours, and videos to help realtors just like you sell more houses faster and for more money. Help us spread the word by liking, subscribing, and sharing these videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, it's our pleasure to serve.